Mabati Rolling Mills yukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagiti showroom yeito nigo ere engare iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntubwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya Mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Masoge na inde weekend yere engia umwanchi umurigerio Gatembe TV chitariki ni 15 na ibere cy'umutenyo katano bo mwaka gw'ekiribu ibere na 25 ekene kionga chinsa 10 weekend ncheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Morara niko tagendera kubwatirana na Mark Wills korwa asesemo ya kabere ye studio natogo chaka aye kionga nigo umuriki umutenenerio monene ase kiombe kelia kya Jubilee umuskejere maya kioni agenderete kuraga serikali ebiara na goteba buna niko bagenderete gutumika kibasa cyaba Kenya bobego cia ase michango chinga kiecyo nigo akwanira obochori buri bakorekanete ase kiombekerie ky'obochori hamone chimbebe gose IEBC.
Unasikia vile sasa wamekuja na staili nyingine ya kidiki. Ati anasanya watu pamoja, wanasema wametoa pesa kwa mfuko. You know conman. They are back to conning. Sasa wametoka kwa kanisa, wamekuja kwa hiyo. Where are they getting this money daily? Isn't it? Najua huyu kijana ameongea. Hebu kuja huyu. Ama unasahau, unafikiri nilisahau? Sio ndio amesema amesoma. Na ni kijana orphan. Sasa huyu unaweza danganya? Unaweza danganya yeye? He knows what he wants. He knows he understands his problems. Na wale wote ambao wamekuwa IBC ni kweli tumepatiwa commissioners. Ruto has no intention of having a commission with us. Hataki uchaguzi, anaogopa. Kwa sababu hata yeye mwenyewe anajiona wapi? Nyumbani. As we fight for many things within IBC, remember, William Ruto does not want a commission. Kwa sababu tumesema hata kama yeye ndio chairman, ameenda wapi? Nyumbani. Kuna watu nikitaja Matiang'i wanatoa vita. Si mimi. Ni wa Kenya. Si mimi, ni wa Kenya. When Kenyans themselves are saying in one voice that their president is Matiang'i, then I again know we have a country. And we do not know whether, we don't want to know kabila yake, hatutaki kujua mambo ingine, urefu yake, we don't want to know his weight. Sisi haja yetu ni kwamba kama wa Kenya, nasikia kama wa Kenya wote wameamua. So wale ambao wanafikiria maneno mingi, tafadhali wachaneni naye.
Egati ya bara ikurwa ase kiama gya Kenya Kwanza nigo bagenderere kumochia nako yikiria bokongu ekiama kirigia DCP kia Gachagua oyo kabeire omukonyi b'umurai bense omukuru nagoteabu na chingaki acholete chingaki ari kuigora ekiama ekyo nigo chiburuburu cyanyarite ko bachikoene kigwa na chiburaburu ebyo cyo nigo cyachagitwe amona babwatani baye nigo bamugikiria kigima nagoteba buna tago isana kora Kenya onye ininjira aguchikobaga gukora ibiasara byaye.
Sababu nilijaribu kuona ile lineup ilikuwa pale mbele ni makatili tupu. Moja anayeongoza chama ni ule mwizi wa kuzi ya Uhuru Kenyatta. Atuye ndio chairman wa chama. Mwingine yule alikoroga mafia ya kuku na akauzia wakulima atimbolea. Alikuwa amekaa hapo mbele na mandevu. Mwingine ni yule amefutwa kazi juzi. Na rafiki yangu pia Malala. Unajua Malala mimi ni rafiki yangu. Ngawaje watu wanasema ni mtu mbaya. Si mbaya lakini si mzuri. Ni rafiki pia. Ni wale aina ya marafiki ukipatia koti aende naye harusi, akikurudishia kama yuko na kifunguo huko na bahati.
Hata ile kipindi walijaribu kuweka pale ati watu wanapigana, hakuna watu walikuwa wanapigana hapo. Hiyo ni kipindi ya Malala na Rigathi Gachagua. Hii nataka kuambia rais, wajana hii wanasema tuta. Hii unakalia asubuhi na mapema 2027.
Our friends in the opposition, that let them come up with a competing agenda. Agenda cannot be just William must go. William must go. Let them come and give us a better idea on how we can drive this nation, but not just politics.
Na omuchumbe okitutu churches Jafeth Nyakundi nigo aoragetie gutagokio kwae asega korokerekio mu uyu kabeire umukonyi b'umurai bense omukuru Rigathi Gachagua gwasokia na guchakia ekiama kiae ya DCP chingaki ekyo nigo amuburetie Rigathi Gachagua kubwatirana amona Kalonzo Musyoka elioko kwaeswanania ase kiama kelia kia Wiper.
Hata wale wengine ambao tunashindana na wao, jana niliona they started a party that is very colorless, that is very disorganized, and a very tasteless party. I want to tell you, all those who started those party, one of them is an impeached deputy president. The other one is a fired secretary general. And the last one is a sacked cabinet secretary. These are people who do not have integrity at all. These are people who are not for the benefit of the people of Kenya. These are people who have selfish interests. They rather hata wangetoka kwa hiyo chama yao wakuje waungane na Kalonzo Musyoka. Kwa sababu hii chama ya Kalonzo at least tunaona mahali inaelekea. Ile yao haina direction. They don't have any direction for the people of Kenya. So mimi nawaomba tushirikiane, tufanye kazi pamoja.
Na kubwatikana nege korekiria yakorekanete ase chinsemo cha Nyakaranga nigo umugambi we sublocation ya Gekonge aibu arangiritie ibarasa na kubabika abantu abwamo eri kugikira egakoro ekyo ky'omong'ina bw'emyaka 90 gukorerwa ebikoro by'obututukano tinga kyekyo nigo umugambi oyo anyalete kubaga kohereza buna ogotiga kisukuru kwa basaye amono gutumeka amalio yego yotindia nekyo kirire abasaye bagokora ebikoro by'obututukano
ekara naji kubuka ekara mumuru yambe abetereriyo kanga intachiwe somong'ina intachiwe sachu intachiwe sachikwatu nachiwe santagete nachiwe saga nachiwe saiga timbwa tibe saga
antua bagambi bengumbu elimo gotoretera mangana mwato tebingo mwana one no mubenga kimoko mumbwatera abana abunkorigera litoro nyemba yo mugai baibori nyana toko baimokia toba bori ngai mwaira abana baino
umugambi egekundi kerege kare kwiruka 7 star kiriria gworuma gwate bisaye bikuna kuruta gikorondo njira byaka jikadi kurumba goroba bakubwa mujiko
amanyene bwe komenta otabo mwana one no mubamurete busiya igata umwana wakimoreka bise igata ge kwa njonsinyi tawo tabanga abantu bagikata umwana onyarebe okomateba munyena cyo goita no mwana
aba muraba mumanyeta abantu byamana injugo cyukunira umong'ina obaire cyabatige kuba utakoya bese kabatenene boro ane kibasa baye okibategete yo baye mutiga bangina bakatube kwere umong'ina uri goteka chindo sengi kumukunira ataka no mwisika kwanya ngetabodi ko kwata no mwisika nanya bana ngwe twisere umuntu uri kwa aye kwa kure aye ne mare mpaka uko kwao none family ya ote akoba pao takoba
narelire asimura matuka mange motenene monso kitata no alirisa no ara edi nani edi chadi no araria omusa kibondo nyanga uno araria aba nabama komoke narelire nga kuna shida katika boma ya tata obo chando no rororo abantu bigi meiri mama uriori makubiara mbara bubuka bataite kwate responsibility of which etali batali able to
ekero omong'ina ikire myaka muneria botigwera bweka teri buya bona murabu no omong'ina munoyo igona ataka goteba nga tutashirikiana na serikali kuhakikisha kuwa twanyolire chikalbitie chako taringane
na tugotigana nayo nigo ababwatani bali ba akurwa ase biyombe bili byo kwegerera obane bwanyi mwanya bantu bakobwatirana amona babwatani kurwa ase serikali babekanete amo iri gukwanira emechando mwanya bantu bakonyara kuba bagwetera kinga kyekyo nigo egikarekyo kyaraitwe amona babwatani bali abekiyombe gya Defenders Coalition abo baliete eirayo gocha kurigeria emechando ya mwanya bantu na koria enchira baranyare ko babakonyesansura nigo batebete nigo barachikurwania chisegi chegenka ama no kuonererwa kwa malimo
We have gathered here over the past 2 days with the human rights defenders from Kisii County to have an overview of the human rights situation in Kisii County, but most importantly, to look at the concerns about the safety, security and the protection of human rights defenders.
Kwa wakati kushukuru Defenders Coalition sababu walionelea ni heri watuweke pamoja tuzungumze, na unajua wakati kama huu ndio tunaelekea election. So lazima defenders waangaliwe vizuri, wapewe moyo na vile vile kama kuna threats ambazo zipo tuone vile tunaziangalia ili wasije wakawa na shida wakati kama huu election unaokuja.
As an assembly, we have committed to defend the human rights defenders, especially those whose lives are threatened because of that which they do to defend the community's rights, and reminding our leaders of the responsibility that they have, which they have not committed, in making sure that the rights of the children and the people's right to participate in decision making.
We want to work with the Kisii County government to ensure our survivors get justice.
Also, most importantly, we have noted concerns around threats, intimidation and targeting of vocal community members. Outspoken human rights defenders have really have raised concerns about their safety and security. They are increasingly being targeted, they are being surveilled, there are people who are after them, and they are receiving very many threats from various quarters of the community. It's also our call to security agencies to ensure that the safety of human rights defenders here is guaranteed, not only in Kisii County but also in the entire country.
This is denying somebody basically a right to live And everybody in this county, in Kenya and above, have right and freedom to expression. And therefore, the Defenders Coalition is here today to remind us that it is important for every citizen in this country to enjoy their rights and the rights of human rights defenders, which are often infringed because they are vocal members of the society.
Ora bati oruru kwegerera obone bwa manyabantu na bururu gutubekera egetone kyomwerio ase ekionga tinsa 10 e weekend gochikoranya orale kebwekera nuchikoraga tinsa ibere amone tinsa inya cyabona marogo bakuru ase Catherine Nyabuga nchandi kwankuru kwa Ruth Morara niko twaboterana na Will Max korwa ase ensemo ya kabere ye studio nakuganire tinga gichinto ero nande download app ya Getembe Digital elio onyare ko bakokwa kedemero giliansi ya Getembe TV amone ya Getembe FM.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Discover your love language on our amazing channels all month long to enjoy intriguing telenovelas from all over the world daily. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Watch Filipino melodrama The Fake Life.
We really need to focus on this mission.
Get charmed with our Indian drama Soulmates and Turkish drama Lost in Love. You can also catch fresh episodes of Stepmom on Rainbow TV Plus every day at 8 p.m. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Buy the DTT decoder for only 1,199 shillings and top up 500 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the classic bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja ETV ya wanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yitu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia mamogusie.